Okay, now we're just going to get away a little bit from the muscle exercises. Let's do some abs. Always have to have abs incorporated into your workout. So, I came up with this type of ab exercises. You would do 2 mid and 2 high abs. That's what it's called. 2 mid, 2 high abs. So, legs like this, and your knees up, and you'll go up. 1, 2, then you go up. 3, 4. That's 1 rep. Go down. 1, 2 low, 2 high. Touch the ceiling. Touch the wall. Touch the ceiling. And so on and so forth. 10 of each. Each 4 is 1 rep.